Well, today we have two products that we're going to open and install. So what I need is for my Raspberry Pi, as I mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and put in an SSD instead of using the SD card I currently am using. I just have way too much stuff on it. So what I did is I purchased a UGREEN product, which is a drive enclosure. So it's a 2.5-inch drive enclosure from a company called UGREEN. So in it is simply an enclosure. Here it is. It is extremely light. It's so light. And as you can see, it's got a proprietary input right there that I'll show you in a moment. And that is all there is to the outside of it. User instructions, which I will look at, and how to use. Now, this is not just for Home Assistant. It's not just for Raspberry Pi. So it's something you could use. In my case, I am going to transfer my data from my Raspberry Pi SD card into this. So let me put this aside a moment. And let's take a peek here at the drive itself, the actual SSD. Came in this brown box. I believe I got this one from Walmart. It is a Samsung. I'm going to put the information in the description. So Samsung solid state drive. It's a 250 gigabit drive. Now, all I have on it right now on my SD card, I have nothing but the operating system for Home Assistant. By the way, this is also so light. So what I'm going, and I back that up on my in Google Cloud. So what is going to happen is this will go in here. And it's as simple as that. And we'll make sure that we have the proper cables. So here is the cable. And as I said, it's a proprietary cable right there. And here we have a nice USB-A cable that'll connect. And that will take this into my system as I do the conversion. So you're going to be able to follow along with me as I do this. And I'm hoping it's going to be rather simple. I am getting ready now to convert my SD card on my Raspberry Pi to an SSD. So let's take a look at the Raspberry Pi. Here's my Z-Wave adapter here. And here I have it attached to my network directly into my Eero. And this is the power supply over here. And I have underneath right there an SD card, which I am going to try to move to an SSD. And I'm going to use Microsoft Copilot. So the first thing I have to do is back it up. So I am creating a manual complete backup right now on for Home Assistant. So that's step one. The backup is complete, and it was only about, I think it was 150 megabytes. The next step, I am going to plug the enclosure into the Raspberry Pi, and I have a blue USB, meaning it's a 3.0. So here it goes. It is plugged in. And There is a blue light right here. Okay, the next thing that has happened is the drive has been seen. So what I did is I went to System, Hardware, and here's my Raspberry Pi, all hardware. And here it is. I typed in SATA as one of the possibilities, and it confirms that, in fact, the drive is there. So now the next step is I'm going to look to see if I can move my data. So I go to storage, and right here, move data disk. This is the next thing I will do. I'll let you watch this with me to see what happens. So I'm going to click Move Data Disk, and it says to select the new data disk. And lo and behold, there is my Samsung new SSD, and that is the 250 gigabits. So that is correct, and that's where I want to move it to. So over here it does say choose the SSD, then confirm, copy everything from the the SD card to the SSD, and it'll reconfigure itself. Can it be that easy? Nothing has been that easy on Home Assistant. Click away. Surprise, surprise, it did not go smoothly. This connection lost reconnecting has been there a long time, and that disk is the SD card still. So working through with Microsoft Copilot, we're gonna try to fix this. So what I did is I unplugged the Raspberry Pi, and after unplugging it, I plugged it back in, the typical thing, and it booted up, and it's showing here in that disk is the SSD. So it appears it booted from the SSD, and now what I'm going to do is remove the SD card, as you could see over here. So here we go. So I have shut down the system, and I've taken out the SD card, and we are going to start it up again. This is a good place for me to end. It worked, as you saw. I was able to move all my data over to the SSD, and it really was very simple to do all of this. So I highly recommend that you do this. I now have another video I'm in the process of making because my Raspberry Pi died. Yes, one of the components on it just died. But anyway, everything is on my SSD. It's looking really good, very quick. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to end here. I'll put the two products in there. Both the UGREEN and the Samsung were perfect. Everything about it was perfect. Using Copilot, Microsoft Copilot, their AI engine, did give me all the steps all the way through. There was no errors, no, I think you should have done this, nothing like that. It actually took me step by step doing this entire process. So everything worked this time. Thank you.